So quick follow up on my Cactus wind noise problem. Here is the gap which I think is causing the problem. Sits about 2 centimetres in size. Citroen fitted this strip here, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little bit of charcoal foam. Which I presume will baffle the wind and stop the whistling noise, so I'm going to test it out and see what happens.